Hi, this is Mr. Shumway with a video clip about solving systems of equations from stories. This time we'll use the example of teachers giving assignments worth a certain number of points and tests worth a certain number of points. So two different teachers give assignments and tests. Each assignment and each test have the same points possible for both teachers. So if Mrs. Keyes gives 12 assignments and 3 tests for a total points possible of 192, and Mrs. Blake gives 15 assignments and 4 tests for a total points possible of 248, how much is an assignment worth? So let's write down the equation for Mrs. Keyes. So 12 assignments, whatever an assignment is worth, plus 3 tests, whatever a test is worth, add up to 192. And $15 assignments on Mrs. Blake, whatever an assignment's worth, 15 of those, plus 4 tests, whatever a test is worth, add up to 248. Well, for Mrs. Blake's, the 4 tests is not going to divide evenly into 15 assignments. Let's look over here at Mrs. Keyes. Well, 3 tests divide evenly into 12 assignments, so we'll start with that one. So I'm going to subtract 12 assignment, whatever 12 assignments are worth from each side. So that tells us that that's 0. So 3 tests are worth 192 minus 12 assignment points. 12 times whatever one assignment is worth. Well, if I want to know what one test is worth, then I take 1/3 of that, and I say, well, one test is worth 64 points minus 4 of whatever an assignment is worth. So now I can rewrite the assignment Mrs. Blake's situation. We can rewrite that, but instead of a test score, we can put 64 minus 4a. So 15 times whatever an assignment is worth plus 4 of whatever a test is worth, but a test is worth 64 minus 4 assignments equals 248. So I've rewritten this one up here, down here, but I have substituted in place of t. Well, now I just put 4 64s. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 60 is 240. 4 times 4 is 16. 240 plus 16 is 256. 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm subtracting 16 assignment points. So 15 of whatever an assignment is worth plus 256 points minus 16 of whatever an assignment is worth equals 248 points total. Combine like terms. 15 minus 16 is negative 1 of whatever an assignment is worth. So if I subtract 256 from each side, that would be negative 12. Oh, sorry. Sorry, that is negative 8. Okay, so negative, the opposite of whatever an assignment is worth is equal to negative 8. So an assignment is worth 8. If you can't see that, just divide each side by -1. And negative divided by negative is positive. Negative divided by negative is positive. So if an assignment is worth 8, then over here where a test is worth 64 minus 4 assignments, so we'll say a test is equal to 64 minus 4 assignments, but an assignment is worth 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. Whoa. So 64 minus 32 is what a test is equal to. And that turns out to be 32. So a test is worth 32 points, an assignment is worth 8. We plug those back into the original to see if they work. 12 assignments, 3 tests, 192. 12 assignments plus 3 tests equals 192. That's a question right now, but we'll check it out and see. 12 times 8 is 96 plus 96. Is that 192? Yes, that is 192. 6 plus 6 is 12. 90 plus 90 is 180. Very good. And we can check it in the other equation. 15 assignments, 4 tests. Is that equal to 248? That's the question right now. So, well, 2 15s is 30. 8 is 4 2s. So 4 30s is 120. 4 30s is 120. Plus 4 times 2 is 128. Does that equal to 248? Yes. So we checked, we verified our solutions. Let's do another one real quick. Twelve assignments, 3 tests. Equal 192. It's the same problem.